Hi guys, I just want to tell you the Tantric Mastery Series has a new sibling. You may be familiar with the first 3 books. The 4th one is finished. I don't have a physical copy yet, but I just wanted to remind you that Tantric Dating was the original book, and it got an award for Best Dating Book of All Times. Not the best, but one of them. And so then I followed it up with Tantric Mating, which is actually the best-selling of all 3 so far. This has to do with how to put some of the tantric principles into use in your relationship. And Tantric Relating then followed, which is some principles for how to improve your communication in a tantric way. I know there's lots of recommendations on how to improve your communication, many different styles. This has to do with the tantric method. And then book 4 is Tantric Loving, which I'm excited to show you the cover of that as soon as I get one. Tantric Loving is actually about love making, which is very different than conventional love making. It can include some elements of conventional love making, but it's about making love in a way that actually creates more love. That I want to teach you. So I look forward to sharing it with you. The link is down below. You can pre-order, or you can get on the list, or you can just go ahead and buy it now. All right? I wrote it for you.